Your property and reputation are more valuable than you realize. Kolins Security Group has conducted thousands of commercial property physical security assessments nationwide. With over 150 combined years of experience as the leading experts in security and safety, they introduce ways to deter situations from occurring, not just stopping active ones. Kolins Security Group physical security assessments consist of three parts: risk assessments, vulnerability assessments, and threat assessments. Risk assessments lay the groundwork to implement countermeasures by identifying the current security setup to see where vulnerabilities lie. Vulnerability assessments analyze security weaknesses and opportunities for criminal activities. An inspection is carried out on site and surrounding areas. This evaluates relevant factors such as places of concealment, accessibility, and line of sight. The threat assessment stage identifies actual, inherent, and potential threats. The evaluation reveals crimes in the vicinity and examines the history against a specific asset or facility. Kolins Security Group is the professional organization you can trust to perform physical security assessments. Call KSG at 215-735-2131 or visit kolinssecuritygroup.com today.